Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. This is the LT Classic Touring Edition. It's got the two-tone paint scheme, touring windscreen, engine guards, floorboards, leather saddlebags, passenger backrest, and that signature studded seat. Belt drive, no chain to mess with, fuel injected V-twin liquid cooled power. Come on by, get your middleweight V-twin cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous Vulcan 900 LT Classic. Price to sell for just $69.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.